Just doing a quick video today on the new CCHAND scale stuff that I just got from the RC4WD drive. This is the quick release body for the Cruiser Body, the FJ40. Have some lights and light guards and mirror decals. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be installing them today. And here's my Cruiser, the FJ40. And for those that watch my video, yeah, I've done quite a bit of scale stuff to it, but there's some quality of life things that I wanted to do, like the quick release, because you have to actually mount the body by putting in a bolt on each side, and taking the body on and off is quite cumbersome. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing some other scale stuff, make it even look nicer. And as you can see, I don't have any decals, mirror decals. This is almost, it's a metallic, so it's gonna look really scale and realistic. So I'm looking forward to installing this. Body's off. The first thing I'm gonna be doing is the quick release mount. There's no instruction usually with the CCHAND stuff. The trick is you look at the pictures on the RC4WD drive website, and usually it's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, we'll do something like this. Okay, so I'll take the pins off. Take the mount off. Probably good idea to clean this area before you install the new mount, but this needs to be mounted onto the body. So yeah, it says to remove these existing nubs. As seen in the picture, make sure that you're installing this nub with the dented side. There's a indentation, I guess. It's dented inside towards the front. Okay. It says to, that nub that I mentioned earlier needs to be facing backwards. Okay, not forwards. Oy, oy, oy. Let's rewind. So yeah, so these are gonna get mounted onto the body. Goes on like this, and at the bottom, all you have to do is lock it, slip it on. Now it's on. It's not going anywhere. I wanna take it off. Bam. So I'll finish installing this and then show you guys how easy it is to use it. All right, the mount is mounted on the body. Should be pretty simple now to just position the body. Alright, so it should be on, and there is that switch. It was coming off because it's not all the way in, so you gotta click it harder. Now it's on. Yeah, now the body is on. It's not coming off. That's perfect. There's the body off again. Now the body comes off. I'm just gonna install a few other things. The fog lights. With the lights, mounting the lights was simple. Just fitting the wires, that was a bit tedious. Yeah. Alright, this is my shoddy job at soldering. So there you have it. Light should work. Yeah, I have the lights. I don't have a warm white, unfortunately, so it's quite bright. For the side mirrors, they give you the decal itself, or the mirror piece itself, and then double-sided tape, 3M double-sided, with 3 tape. One last one that I want to do is this light guard for the rear bumper. I actually have the tube rear bumper for this truck as well, and I'll be installing this as well. But installing this, I have to get rid of this the rear bumper stop, I guess, and the stairs. So yeah, I wasn't 100% sure on the bumper. It's called the Fields rear bumper for the Gelande 2 Cruiser, and I've rocked this current setup for a long time, so I felt like I wanted to do something different, so I'll try this, and if I don't like it, I can always go back. So alright, it took a while to undo all of this. It's got that going for it. Yeah, it looks great. It's all done. Alright, here's the bumper. I like it. Well, that's it for my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Nothing ever goes smoothly, right? Like when you're installing new parts. So it took me a lot longer than I expected, but that's the way it goes. Thank you for watching.